Hey guys! So, I wanted to show you a completion that I've done. However, I have finished it a while ago and I have it on the wall, so I didn't want to pull it down, but I want to show it to you and kind of go over it with you because I love it. Look how cute! My prince and princess. And it is, sorry for the shaking. Let me get you set up here. A full crystal. And it is gorgeous. It is a 30 by 40, which actually it's a lot bigger because as you can see here, there was not a lot to the edge. I did not cut anything off of this. There was no, what do you call that on the side? There was no list of like the colors or the names or like a, you know what I'm talking about. It wasn't there. So I didn't cut anything off of this. This is exactly how it came. I did purchase this off of Amazon and I will try and find it and link it below. It is full. Those are full crystals. The stick was very, very good. The only thing was, you guys, there was so much trash in these crystal drills. It was like so much so that I got pretty scared that there wasn't going to be enough to finish it because I was throwing away more trash than I was anything. But the ones that were good are really, really nice. I love this painting. The only other thing besides the trash, the color that they chose for the skin. Now I know in the camera it looks decent. One on the wall when you're just passing by, it looks decent, but when I was doing it, I was like, what is this color? It was a terrible color to pick for skin. I just, as I was doing it, I thought, why couldn't they have picked like a peachy color and not this coppery brown color? Because again, in the camera it's showing up a lot lighter than in person. In person it's rather dark, and they are very dark skinned prince and princess, but it doesn't matter because I'm sorry, I am shaking this thing all around. I just love it. It turned out beautiful, just beautiful. So again, this was an Amazon one. I cannot remember how much I paid for it, but I will try to find it and link it below. And if there's any questions, feel free to ask. But yeah, okay. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.